Today I am continuing my love affair with cast iron cooking. I am cooking beef smoked sausage, and with beef and turkey sausage, you want to double check the ingredient list to make sure the casing or the outer wrapping is also 100% beef and not pork, if that is important to you. There are many different ways that you can cut your sausage for cooking. Today I'm going to show you my favorite way to cut this meat for a simple presentation and for breakfast sandwiches. So I like to cut a small section of the meat and then I use my knife to cut down the middle of it, but not through it, to kind of make like a hot dog bun style with this meat, if that makes sense. So you see I'm cutting down one side of the meat, but I'm not cutting all the way through it. So that way I can open it up and lay it flat. So it's kind of two pieces in one, two sides to one piece rather. I'm able to get 4 generous servings by cutting it this way. So I have a couple of cast iron pans that I'm using today. In this video, I'm using my 12-inch cast iron pan for the sausage, and in the 10-inch one in the front, I actually made scrambled eggs, but that's in a previous video. So my cast iron pan, there is a little bit of oil in it, and I'm adding about 2/3 cup of water because I want to make sure my sausage heats through completely before it browns and before I eat it. So this sausage has been cooking for about 7 minutes at a medium-high heat. You can see at about 8 minutes the water is gone, and now I have brown char on one side that has been laying undisturbed in the pan since I put it in. Cooking this sausage to have some char on it is my personal preference. You don't have to do it. Personally, I like a little black on my meat, as I like to say. So I flip over my sausage on the other side and I press down with my silicone tongs just to ensure the meat makes contact with the cast iron pan so I can get some browning on that outer side as well. It's so delicious and so beautiful, and it's a perfect accompaniment to scrambled eggs for breakfast. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out my cast iron cooking playlist for more delicious recipes.